In this short tutorial, you will learn how to easily download Twitter videos and save them to your phone gallery. Sometimes, we come across interesting or funny videos on Twitter that we would like to keep and share with our friends later. However, Twitter doesn't offer a direct option to download videos. But don't worry, there is a simple solution. To get started, open up the X Twitter app, and then find the video that you want to download. For example, I'm going to tap and select one of these suggested videos. What you want to do next is tap on the share button at the bottom right. Then tap copy link. Once you've copied the link of the video to the clipboard, exit the Twitter app and open up any web browser you like. And then tap the search bar and search for Twitter Video Downloader. Scroll down a bit and tap on this search result. Once you are on this site, tap and hold where it says Insert Link. And then tap Paste. Now you've pasted the link of the Twitter video. All you have to do next is tap the download button over here. And then tap and select your preferred video resolution to download it. Once you've downloaded it, you can easily save it to your gallery. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.